In the heart of the 15th century, Florence, Italy, stood as a beacon of art and culture, a city that would leave an indelible mark on the world. The year was 1401, and the city was on the brink of a transformation that would change the course of art history forever. Amidst the bustling streets of Florence, a young man named Filippo Brunelleschi, a brilliant architect and engineer, was nurturing a vision. His dream was to bring the beauty and grandeur of classical Greek and Roman architecture back to life, a concept that was almost lost to the annals of time. The city was in crisis. The Black Death had decimated the population, leaving Florence shrouded in grief and despair. The once vibrant city was now a ghost of its former self. But amidst the sorrow, a spark of hope was kindled. Brunelleschi, with his innovative mind and unyielding spirit, saw an opportunity in the devastation. He envisioned a cathedral that would rise from the ashes, a testament to the resilience and creativity of the Florentine people. The project was monumental, a task that seemed insurmountable. The Basilica of Santa Maria del Fiore, with its vast dome, was a structure that had left many architects baffled. But Brunelleschi, with his unwavering determination, took on the challenge. He began by introducing a new technique, the false dome, a structural innovation that allowed him to build the dome in sections. This breakthrough was a turning point in the history of architecture, paving the way for larger, more intricate structures. The construction of the dome was a labor of love for Brunelleschi. He poured his heart and soul into the project, working tirelessly day and night. The city watched in awe as the dome began to take shape, a symbol of hope and renewal in a time of darkness. The completion of the dome was a triumph for Brunelleschi and Florence. It marked the beginning of the Renaissance, a period of cultural, artistic, and intellectual rebirth in Europe. The dome became a beacon, attracting artists, scholars, and thinkers from across the continent. The legacy of Brunelleschi and the Florence Cathedral continues to inspire today. His innovative techniques and unyielding spirit have left a lasting impact on the world of art and architecture. The dome stands as a testament to the power of human creativity and the indomitable spirit of the Florentine people. In a city that had been ravaged by disease, Brunelleschi's dome stood as a symbol of hope, a beacon of light in the darkness. It was a testament to the resilience of the human spirit, a reminder that even in the face of adversity, beauty can be born. The Florence Cathedral, with its towering dome, remains a symbol of the Renaissance, a period of extraordinary growth and transformation, and a testament to the genius of Filippo Brunelleschi.